we doing, everybody? Welcome to cardsandlivebreaks.com, powered by Cards and Live Sports. It's your guy, Sonny D. And we have some boxes double rig tonight. Starting the night off with our Hail Mary football mix in number 23. We have one spot left. One spot left, Hail Mary football. Select baseball is down to 18 spots. 18 spots left, select baseball. We have another legacy random division, 8 spots left. Legacy random team, 27. Slam dunk 26, Grand Slam baseball 22 spots left. Whatever feels tonight, breaks tonight on a beautiful Tuesday night. Break 20 still active. Billy P, Duncan C, Jim U, what's going on? Oh, this is going to be gorgeous. Hail Mary football is sold out. Coming up first. See the giveaway cards here. McCaffrey, Montana, holy. Break 20 is active. 20% off break 20 all night. Yes, indeed. Billy P, what's going on? All right, Hail Mary football 23 coming up first. Grand Slam baseball number 46 is at 22 spots. Let's fill that baby up. Select baseball 18, legacy random division 8 spots. But right now, let's get this party started. This is our Hail Mary football number 23. This break is sold out. We are giving away. Let me see what we're giving away to the first 10 spots on the break. First 10 to Joe Montana. Number 75. For the first 10 orders, and we have Christian McCaffrey, 2 spots and $50. What do you think you're dealing with, baby? Good luck. Rolling for the giveaways. Here we go. Hold on here. You got an extra box that I do not believe is in this break. You double check. Oh, maybe not. Never mind. We are good to go. Legacy Prism Team-All Chronicles H2. Chronicles Draft Obsidian Team-All Prism Mega Hitsbox Gem Masters. Sony D, get it together Tuesday night. Alright, shaky. 3 here, 2 here, 5 times. 5 times for the giveaways. Good luck. Reginald M, what's going on? Joe Montana to the first 10. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Michael T, congratulations. Joe Montana, coming at you, baby. Holy Billy P, good luck. Joe Montana, number 75. Leaf X signatures. All right, all 30 entries. First 2 names at the top for some free spots. You better believe it. 5 times, good luck. Hail Mary football number 23, like Devin Hester. Who do we got for number 23? 23, I feel like that's a kind of a weird football number. Think of Michael Jordan, 23 in football. Who's been 23? Devin Hester, that's a D-back number. I don't know, that's gonna be tough. What do we got? Hail Mary football number 23, this is for the spots. It's gonna be 5 times, first 2 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don T, William P, congratulations. You got some free spots on a Tuesday night. All right, top spot, bottom spot, top spot, $50. Bottom spot, CMC 9 mint rookie. Good luck. Five times, top spot and the very bottom spot. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $50 going to James U. Congratulations. 50 coming at you, baby. And we have CMC 9 men going to what? Bam. Dan Am. Congratulations. Christian McCaffrey coming at you, baby. Nine mint rookie CMC for the Panthers. Giveaways complete. Rolling for the names. Rolling for the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes of football ready to go. Good luck. Little bouncy. Little hopper. 8 times. 8 times for the names. 8 times for the teams. Good luck. 8 times. Let's get something dirty. HM football number 23. This will be for the names. 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Billy P at the top, down on T at the bottom. Eight times for the teams. 8 on 8 times. Good luck, everybody. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Falcons at the top, Fins at the bottom. Everybody in between left field straight, and we got a box of football ready to go. Here we go. Billy P. Falcons, Duncan C. Rams, David W. Coach, Sean G. Niners, James L. Lions, Michael T. Packers, Dan M. Steelers, Ron W. Titans, James L. Texans. Down on T. Bucks, James U. Panthers and the Stripes, William P. Chargers, Tony G. Browns, William P. Seahawks and the Buffalo Bills, Zachary M. Patriots, Billy P. Giants, Giants, Jets, and the Eagles. Down on T. Jags, Edward F. Ravens, Duncan C. Bears, Michael B. Broncos. Michael R. Saints, DeCarius M. Cardinals, Bernardo P. Football Team. David W. Chiefs, Michael T. Cowboys, Israel P. Raiders, Edward F. Bucks, Don T. Fins up, baby. Trading block is opened. We do have 2 products from this year, Chronicles and Legacy. 2 products from this year, just so everybody knows, new draft class. So multiple teams can do pretty well. You never know. Browns, Rams, Panthers, Giants up a trade. Rams for the Panthers. Panthers, pretty good team, Jim U. You got some Terrence Marshall, Chuba Hubbard from last year. Matt Corral, quarterback from this year. Panthers for the New York Football Giants. We have ourselves a trade. Billy P got the Panthers. Jim, you got your New York Football Giants. Congratulations to the both his. Rams, Brownies, last call. Let's see what we got shaken up. Select baseball. 17 spots left. Looks like that baby's coming up next. Get your spots, get your heat. Select baseball nice and cheap. Break 20 all night. Kayvon Thibodeau, let's do it, baby. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, baby. Come on. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Don't tell me you got the white jersey. You can't be spilling mustard on the white jersey. Tell me you got that beautiful New York football giant blue. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Alrighty then, running block is closed. I think I have one white jersey and I spilled coffee on it and mustard. You got the white. Easy with the mustard. Gotta be kidding me. Good luck. I love the white jerseys, but they are a dangerous thing, especially when you wear them to football games. They are a dangerous item, especially when you wear them to football games. Coffee, pop, relish, my God. I mean, in some places, maybe a little nacho cheese. That's the worst. Is he number 5, Jim U? Is he wearing number 5? New recruit, Zach Wilson, quarterback for the New York Jets. Just lost Mekhi Becton today. That is horrible. That is horrible. Mekhi Becton out for the season. Falcons, Panthers, and the Jets. You are correct, Billy P. And the Eagles, excuse me. You got Panthers, Jets, Eagles, and the Dirty Birds. Number 5, sick. Got the big man wearing the small number. Got to get used to it, but Kyle Pitts base, so Dave for Owe, pink. Got chili cheese dogs. Burgers. Chicken sandwiches. Got to be careful with ads. Jamie Newman, Eric Ebron, pink for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Trevor Lawrence, rookie quarterback for the Jags. I cannot wait for football. We got college football coming up here. We got preseason starting what? Is the start of the preseason this week or is it next week? I think it's next week. It's usually like a week in between the Hall of Fame game. Oh, nice. Nice. Bushel, and look at that for the Stripes. Premier pink rookie Jamar Chase. There we go, James U with the Stripes. TJ Hawkinson, silver. And I feel like the Giants should have a pretty decent team this year. I mean, the NFC East, I feel like anything can happen in that division. Saquon's been looking good. I know some of those defensive backs that you guys picked up in the draft a few years back have been looking nice. McKinney. You got Thibodeau. Who else? I mean, I feel like you guys got somebody else on defense, too. Joe Burrow. Boogie Basham for the Bills, pink. Your fantasy football draft. So if you have the first pick, who you taking first? Who's the unanimous first pick this year? Who are they saying? Jonathan Taylor? Tyreek Hill? Who is it? The Sheriff? No way, baby, for the Colts. Pink. Come on, Silver, be a rook. Oh, we got a dented Darnell Mooney right here. Jared Dokes and Hollywood Brown for the Ravens, silver. Derrick Henry, number 1 consensus fantasy pick this year. I had him on my team last year. He did pretty well until he got hurt, obviously. Rojo for the Bucks. What about my guy Dalvin Cook? Come on now. No love for my guy DC. Jamie Collins for the Motor City pink. Ooh, people want that Joe Burrow, Jamar Chase combo. Wow, we actually had like a few cards that were dinged in that one. Mooney. Von Miller. What the heck? Jared Goff. It's like always. Okay. All right, Chronicles H2 next. I don't know why everybody... Does everybody really think Jamar Chase is better than Justin Jefferson? I can't believe the disrespect Justin Jefferson is getting. It's ridiculous. Come on, tell me something good now. Tell me something good. Tell me I'm not crazy. Please tell me I'm not crazy. All right, good luck. Najee Harris. Travis Etienne. Hey, look who it is. Silver Jamar Chase. Bam! For the stripes. That's a rookie. Tremendous. That is no Wongwu for the Vikes. He does have Kirk Cousins. Hey, man, give my guy Kirk some slack. Kirk Cousins is winning MVP this season. You heard it here first. He's going to shock the world. Najee Harris to 49. All right, now I might be talking crazy. But listen. Najee Harris to 49. It's gorgeous. Rondale Moore, Kellen Mond, and Kellen Mond for the Vikes. Rashad Bateman base. I don't know about all that. Jamar Chase, rookie, all over the place. Heard me talking that talk. Rosso for the Bears and Khalil Herbert, 199, rookie for the Bears. Crown Royale exclusive, red. Kellen Mond for the Vikes. Travis Etienne, Surtain the second. Cole Beasley. Is Cole Beasley still on the Bills? Wow, Jamar Chase. We got the Jamar Chase box for the stripes. Quarterback, Kyle Trask for the Bucks. Still managed to get a Bengal in there. Ridiculous. Jalen Phillips for the Fins. Khalil Herbert. Trevor Lawrence, rookie for the Jaguars. And Trey Lance, rookie for the Niners. Jimmy Garoppolo's still a Niner. I wonder how long they're going to wait. And at this point, probably going to be, I mean, they do have the preseason, maybe sometime in the preseason. Or if they're just going to keep him and wait till the last minute. Oh, we got some blue. Nope. We got a checkerboard. What is it? Oh my gosh, he really is all over the place for the stripes. Jamar Chase. Chrome base. Rookie. Travis Etienne. And Kadarius Toney. Quarterback, $3.99 for the Vikes. Kellen Mond. Checkies. Tremendous. The Wongwu base and Eli Mitchell for the Niners. Roger that. Thielen, Felipe Franks. Ooh, nice. Blue on blue for the Detroit Lions. Number 1099. Amon Ross St. Brown. There we go, Detroit. Nice card. If Cousins makes MVP, get a Justin Jefferson rookie graded and send it to me. Oh, baby, hold the phones here. If he doesn't get it, $50 gift card. Hey, I'll take you up on that, Jim U. I'll take you up on that. It's a long shot, I know. It's a long shot, I know. Javonte Williams, Nico Collins, and a Bateman. And Tony Bates. All right, last pack. Yeah, virtual handshake. Dawson Knox. And Waddle for the fans. Ujulari and Najee Harris. Hey, Kirk Cousins, new offense. That man's gonna go berserk. He needs to. He needs to now. Mother, you watching this? Cal Pitts base. Hitchbox next. Ooh, sick. All right, rookie signs. Patrick Surtain the second, number to 199. And we have a Onyx for the Chiefs. George Karlaftis on card. And sweet card here for the Ravens. The National VIP 9 mint rookie Lamar Jackson. Sick. Got him in his Louisville jersey. Panini the National 2018 Lamar Jackson. All right, for the New York Jets, how about a Garrett Wilson rookie auto? Nice. There we go, Jets. One of many first-round wide receivers. And speaking of wide receiver, Michael Pittman Jr., Gridiron Kings, Jim Mintan for the Colts, rookie. Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts, Jim Mintan. All right, next two boxes are from this year. We got Chronicles Draft, and we have Legacy Football. Good luck. Gets the first mini out of Legacy. Gets the first mini out of Legacy for $10. It's coming up next. Kyle Hamilton and beautiful card here for the Panthers. Number to 99, Matt Corral Disco on a Tuesday night. That's a rookie. Matt Corral for the Panthers. Stingley Jr. Kyron Williams, Stingley Jr. again. Tampa Brady. Show yourself. Aiden Hutchinson, red, number to 149 for the Detroit Lions, second overall pick. Hutchinson, red, number to 149. Joe Burr. Wan'Dale Robinson for the New York Football Giants. Save. Matthew Stafford for the Rams. Plummer. Kenneth Walker and Matt Corral. Base. Malik Willis, Chris Olave, and Tyler Algier for the Dirty Birds. Full coverage, rookie patch. Kenneth Walker for the Hawks. Jordan Davis, that man is a beast and a picket base for the Steelers. Quarterback, Mac Jones. Kenny Pickett base. And Zarek Cooper, number 299. Pretty sure he does not have a team. He's going to the randomizer, but I will double check. Yes, I do not believe he has a team. Urlacher. Pickett base, Garrett Wilson, and save for Brees Hall for the Jets. Nice. This kid's going to be a beast. Reggie Wayne, redemption for a valued collector, and it is Jaquan Brisker for the Bears. Origins rookie auto Jaquan Brisker for the Bears. Traylon Burks for the Titans. Jerry Rice, number to 149. Last team he played for, that was the Seattle Seahawks. Kyle Hamilton, Rashad White. I think we got a Spectra auto. Good luck. Come on now. Should be on card. Oh, wow. Number to 15 for the Atlanta Falcons. Bam. Desmond Ridder in the zone on card. Dirty Birds, baby. That's for Billy P. Bam. Desmond Ridder, 13 out of 15. Nice hit. Man. Debo for the Niners. Hutchinson rated. And, Kayvon Thibodeau. Raid number to 149 for the New York Football Giants. Quack, quack. All right, Zarek Cooper, real quick. Three here, two here, 5 times. Name at the top for Zarek Cooper. All righty. Yes, sir, little quack quack coming at you, baby. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Michael T, congratulations. Zarek Cooper coming at you, baby. All right, Legacy next. Same draft class. Brand new draft class. Legacy football still have not seen a rip card. We do have a 4-box break, random team, and a random division out there as well. Jamar Chase, base. Brees Hall, base. And our first mini is Dangerous for the Broncos. Who guessed him? Feel like we had a few guesses there. Russell Wilson for the Broncos. Marcus Allen, Thomas for the Raiders. Legacy underway. Jahan Dotson, rookie. And for the Cleveland Browns, rookie autograph, David Bell, Optichrome. David Bell for the Cleveland Brownies. Strahan. Bailey Zappi, Karloftis, and George Karloftis under the lights for the Chiefs. Optichrome. Tyler Lockett. Pickett base for the Steelers. Rookie. Velus Jones for the Bears. Melted Ice for the Colts. Number to 199. William Perry for the Bears, for the ages. Nobody wants to see that man on the goal line. Nobody. Not even the Dominican Sue. Sky Moore for the Chiefs. Aiden Hutchinson for the Detroit Lions, rookie. And Tampa, Brady, decades. The Patriots. Water. John Randall, Carson Palmer, Jabo Mancarel, and Marcus Allen. Javonte Williams. Alec Pierce and Jalen Tolbert for the Cowboys, rookie. Might get some tick this year with injury to what's-his-face. James Washington. James Conner. I think we got number to 50. Number to 50, Lombardi Lenny for the Bucks. Shannon Sharp for the Broncos. Where do we rank Shannon Sharp as a tight end all time? James Robinson. Chris Carter. And our mini is Kyron Williams for the Rams. Nice, number to 50. Kyron Williams, that's a rookie. Timeless Talents, Patty Mahomes. You guys see him throwing at the goalpost today, behind the back, left-handed, kicking it. My God, he's ridiculous. Diggsy. Pierre Strong, Hassan Haskins, Terrell Davis. TJ Watt. And David Bell, bronze, number to 100 for the Browns. Nice. Got the auto, got some bronze, baby. There we go, Cleveland. David Bell to 100. It's a rookie. DC for the Raiders. Troy Polamalu, 125 for the Pittsburgh Steelers. For the ages, Alvin Kamara. We're just going to zoom right by that one. Get out of my face. Nuke. right, got our last auto here. Good luck. Wandale Robinson, David Bell. Come on, baby. We have Danny Gray, number /50 for the San Francisco 49ers. Danny Gray, number /50, rookie autograph. Phil Simms for the Giants. Danger Russ. Kenneth Walker for the Seahawks. Generations for the Chargers. 2 packs. Daxton Hill, Garrett Wilson, and Matt Corral under the lights base for the Panthers. Rookie. Last pack. Cortland Sutton. And hide your wife. Hide your mother. Number /299, Zach Wilson for the New York Jets. Unbelievable. And Phil Rivers for the Bolts. All right, Obsidian Timo and Prism Timo. Good luck. Let's get something gorgeous. Second box on the channel. Pull that beautiful white Contra Patrick Mahomes in the first one. Let's see what we got here. Select Baseball coming up next. But first, Darius Leonard for the Colts. Ooh, I think we have another white one. Come on now, baby. Come on. Pretty sure we have another white one in there. I like what I'm seeing. Tuesday night, baby. Come on. Kenny Golladay for the New York Football Giants. Rookie for the Los Angeles Rams, Ben Skronik. Wow, that is a sick card. Oh, that is so sick. Ben Skronik, rookie. White Contra with the white jersey. How about a Stephon Diggs, man, for the Buffalo Bills. Look at that. Here we go, Buffalo. Who's got him? William P. with the free spot. Nice hit. Stephon Diggs color match. Man, that is sick. What a card. These white Contras are something else. And Red Flood exclusive, Jair Alexander for the Green Bay Packers, but it's red. All right, Prism Timo to wrap it up. Come on, let's get that rook to 7. Let's get that rook number to 7. Or a silver rookie. Haven't got a silver rook yet. Jack Youngblood for the Rams. Antonio Gibson for the football team. Quarterback. Rookie Justin Fields for the Bears. Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah for the Browns. Rookie. Come on, Silver. Come on now. Oh, that's a rookie. Silver rookie for the Panthers, Tommy Tremble out of Notre Dame. All right, red, yellow exclusive. No rookie. Who is it? It's a Cole Beasley for the Bills, number /39. Red, yellow, team all exclusive. Cole Beasley, number /39. 39 out of 39 is the last one. Congratulations, everybody. That is the break. Here's a recap. Amon-Ra to 99. Garrett Wilson, rookie auto for the New York Jets. Karlaftis, Surtain, Lamar Jackson, 9-mint rookie, Panini VIP, and Gem in 10, Michael Pittman Jr., rookie for the Colts. Beautiful white Chondro, Stephon Diggs for the Bills. Look at that. Danny Gray, number to 50, David Bell. That is Zuri Cooper for Michael T. Kayvon Thibodeau, 149. Number to 15, Desmond Ridder. Bam. Sick. Brisker Redemption, Hutchinson, 149. Corral to 99. Silver, Jamar Chase. Back for the Stripes. Now, Jamar Chase premiered. That baby's pink for the Stripes. Congratulations, everybody. That is Hail Mary football number 23. We're going to get this cleaned up and put away. We got Select Baseball. Going to try to fill that baby next. We are at 17 spots. Let's see what else is sold here. Legacy Football 27. Grand Slam Baseball 22. Slam Dunk Basketball 24 spots left. Whatever fills tonight will break tonight. I will be right back. Yes, sir. Good luck, Captain Kirk. I need you, baby. I need you bad. Jim, you, thank you, thank you.